Thaddeus.
Yes, Daddy.
Please, can you hurry up and give me the list?
Okay, Daddy, I'm coming.
Paku list ye ebintu ebyokugenda ku ssomero. Hurry up.
Daddy.
Hey,
Yes, Daddy.
now look, Thaddeus.
Yes, Daddy.
What type of uniform is this one? This one is different from the other one. What is wrong with you?
Daddy, the other socks got lost.
So you don't have a socks?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, you give me the list.
Daddy, new pair of shoes.
New pair of shoes.
Yes.
Shoes?
Yes.
Yeah,
Daddy.
yet we bought the shoes last time.
Daddy, they are expired. The soles.
Shoes?
Yes.
Shoes be jam. Because shoes, long time ago for us, we used to go barefooted. I used to come from Nangula here to Chaliwajana primary school without shoes.
But
shoes off.
Daddy, a box of juice.
A box of juice.
Yes, Daddy.
That one we are going to reduce. We are going to take water.
Water.
A long time ago, we used to even take water from the Wero.
But Daddy, this is, the school water.
Out. Ojakwe kamuliro obutunda. This is out. Ojakwe kamuliro obutunda. Another one.
Okay, Daddy, colors for art.
Colors for art.
Yes, because we have art.
Okay, colors.
Yes.
Colors stick.
Yes, Daddy. New vests.
New vest.
Yes, Daddy.
Vest.
Yes.
Are you going for taekwondo, jetiri?
No, Daddy. It prevents the sweats from coming out.
The sweats?
Yes,
How many sweats?
From darkening my shirt.
That one is out. Next.
Daddy, toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Yes, one box.
That one correct.
Yes.
That one correct because these days you no longer blast the tooth. You only blast 3 tooth and all the tooth have to be blasted, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, that one correct.
4 reams of paper.
Reams of paper?
Yes.
For what?
Daddy, it's
rim of paper?
It's one of the school requirements.
Yet we pay school fees. Is the paper out? No. They are not. Banang. Are these requirements for Kwandura? What's wrong?
Daddy, I'm not the one who asked myself these things. It's the school.
Another one.
Daddy, boxers.
Boxers for what? Are you going to box someone?
Daddy.
Are you calling this a ring? A ring whereby you put on boxers and you start? Are you going for kung fu?
The underwears. Daddy, why are you complicating this?
They are called the boxers?
Yes.
Okay, this one, how many?
Like 5.
2.
Upkeep like for 200,000.
Upkeep?
Yes, Daddy.
200,000?
Yes,
upkeep?
Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
Upkeep?
Yeah, Daddy.
Are you calling me an ATM machine whereby it throws money just anyhow?
But Daddy, where do you want me to get the money from?
For us, when we used to study, I remember this bishop of ours. He never had any upkeep. But you look, he's very fine.
But Dad,
you look at the MPs, they are very fine now. They never had any upkeep.
I'm not them, they are different from me, Dad.
Even me, they used not to give me any upkeep. In fact, I used to go there, I just read. Without... Tell you, Kalunga Kusomero.
Daddy,
there is beans and portion, everything is there. That will be enough. Only colors and boxers and toothpaste. Tooth what? Toothpaste. That's all. Enough is enough. Go and bring your case.
Honey, that's just so tough. You're so tough on that child.
Do you know what Thaddeus wanted?
I have heard everything.
You've heard? You see now. He wants new shoes.
Hey.
He wants a boxer. I even didn't know that boxers are the under one.
They are the under ones.
Yeah, the under ones, okay. Those ones, too. Colors, it's okay. Let him go and decorate the pen. The class.
Art. He does art.
For art is okay. And now toothpaste. Let him, okay, that one we will buy. Now you see, for upkeep. He's requesting money for upkeep. Is he calling me an ATM machine whereby I just have to go and throw money like that?
Honey, relax. Banang. 2 years in a nyumba zona for rent. For what?
For my future. For my future.
Honey, ebintu byogambe ebyedda mwana yambale engatto nekutuka. We have the money. Let us use the money.
Tera ffe twayambalanga ngatto. That's why I'm around.
Ati kati eno generation agenda kutumira
Let him know until that was let him be with barefoot so that he works more harder.
No, honey.
But mukyala go yonoona abaana baffe amaze okulaba.
Kati muwa omwana byayagala.
Instead of us going to enjoy, it is the kids now trying to enjoy.
Honey, no.
You see, you are struggling with the pregnancy. I'm also struggling with the ones you have produced.
No, he's the firstborn. Let him get what he needs, and he's a candidate.
Now you see, we have 60 children to prepare for. And it is only this one who is disturbing. Now you just imagine the fifth one, the fourth one, the first one.
Honey, that man is already there. Olomo Pang is paid. The other boy from Spayamaka University paid. Such a way, the Kamana Veyagali, the Kamana Veyagali. Only warrant yes, I should. So what you are going to Aban? Such a way, I don't see why you're being stingy.
What do you mean by stingy?
Let him get what he wants. Everything on the list, let us buy that.
Okay, I accept. On pangude. Sina chakola. Abana bo mulembe guno. I accept.